Like, share, and subscribe to Doit Industries for more updates.
In the world of high-end jewelry manufacturing, precision isn't just a goal, it's a requirement. But heat is the enemy of precision. Whether it's induction melting or casting, maintaining the right temperature is critical. Introducing the CLW-5000 EN Industrial Chiller, the robust cooling solution designed for high-performance industrial stability.
Built with intelligent control, the CLW-5000 EN features a straightforward panel for effortless usage. Its well-organized internal components aren't just for show, they make maintenance simple and fast.
Begin by adding purified water into the tank. While filling, keep a close watch on the water level indicator to ensure the reservoir reaches the required operating level without overfilling. Step 2. Next, securely connect the inlet and outlet pipes to their respective ports on the machine. Step 3. Switch on the main power to start the machine. Once the control panel initializes, activate the compressor and pump to begin the cooling cycle.
With patented technology in our water-cooled condensers and evaporators, the CLW-5000 EN delivers powerful cooling even in the harshest industrial conditions. Plus, the advanced multi-circuit system and energy-saving water tanks minimize both water and power consumption.
We offer a wide range of models tailored to accommodate various production scales.